How to create pop-up banner in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add pop-up banner without coding in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So we're gonna use widget from elfsite.com. You can visit the website and then sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widgets here and you will find a lot of option here. So we're gonna choose pop up here. You can click on it. Then as you can see, you can create widget for free. Click on it. And now you can choose the style or the template. So maybe this one or this one, you can or this one. It's up to you. So maybe I want to add, you know, this one. I think this is or this one. I think this is good. So I'm gonna add this one. You can click add, and now you can customize it. You can change the name or the heading, and then you can change the text, the image, and other text here. You can customize the layout if you want like this or like this. It's up to you. So, and then also you can change the width if you want to make it bigger or smaller. After you customize it, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. If you think all good, you can just click publish here. Now you can select the plan. I'm going to choose the free one here. And then you will get the code here. Now you can just click copy code and then go back to your Shopify main dashboard. Now you can navigate to the online store here. And then in the online store, you can go to edit theme here. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. Now I'm going to add the pop-up banner in my homepage. So you can just click add section here. And then you can search custom liquid, click on it, and now you can just paste the code. You can paste the code here and wait for a few seconds until it appears in your website. And it's like this, it's perfect. And you can try another style or template. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.